fully custom, but kind of looks cool. Kind of looks a little weird, but let me know if you guys seen something like this. It's weird. It has like a new style Cadillac front on it with like those tail lights and shit. I don't want to stick the camera in the guy's face. Come on, sir. Take this wrap off his hood because we just realized that this is actually wrap and it's not dipped or anything. You guys can see it right here. Pull up. Boy, you ain't scraped.
Last time I did.
Nope, that's the little bottom plastic under the bumper. You think you low, huh?
Oh.
You think you low. What's all this shit on your hood?
I don't know. I'm about to go wash it.
So we found the edges to the wrap. Peeling his edges up for him. Powered by SRT. 6.4 liter, upgraded from the V6, you know what I'm saying? Good upgrade, good upgrade. Shit. So what's this compared to the V6?
Power.
Boy, if you don't get power. Come on, Adrian. Use the muscles, boy. Use the muscles. Almost got it. Last patch. Only thing we have to do now is just check the edges, make sure there's no extra, but the paint looks good on the hood, though. Get it. Look, he's sweating. God damn. Trip. Got the wrap off the hood. Looking good now. Looks gloss. That's the wrap that was on it. Took off the matte black. Now we're back with the color. Alright, let me know what y'all guys think. I think it looks 10 times better without it on there. It's Wade. So what's your final result? What you like? You like it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just need to wash it.
Yeah, you need to wash it. You got all this fucking sweat, Coca-Cola, everything on here. There you go now. Now it's up to you about that roof. Oh yeah, I forgot. Put this on here. Did the tail light tint. What's up? Scat pack. So you ordered this from eBay? How much it cost?
Shit, got on sale, $85.
$85. Full diffuser.
Originally $212.
Originally $212 from Icon Motorsports. Made in China. I don't think it bolts on, actually. I think.
No, the bolts are under.
Oh, so you gotta take out the old ones.
Yeah.
Alright, well, it's the stock diffuser right there. No booty, bald ass. Ain't got no cheeks back there, no slapping cheeks, you know what I'm saying? So, get ready to install these. So all you gotta take out is these, which
it has like 2 clips at the end.
Oh, just these clips. Yeah. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, I think they're like 7 or 8 millimeter bolts. And your boy got that Stanley. Try out. What's that? 8. So it's a 7. So you need a 7 millimeter. Throw that on the ratchet. And then I got this tool from when I was a service tech at Nissan. Use this for the clips. You just grab both ends. God damn, boy. Need some lube. Oh, dry booty ass car, boy. Damn. Oh, they're struggling with the little booty clip. Boy, you got some crusty clips. I had some right here. But you know what's funny? I think they gave you brand. Okay, I'm about to say these are just screws. Why they give you screws if you already got the screws right there?
It was part for that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, but you already got those. They should have gave you some new one of these, but luckily I always keep these. you always keep these little clips. You got it? It should be 2 tabs. Whenever you pulling something off, always look at your new one so you can see how that one mounts. Same, so it should be, since it goes like this. You see these 2 tabs right here? So you should have 1 tab, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs, and you just pull it back off the cart. So I already got this side, so you pull it out and these tabs go in the bumper. There you go. Yeah, just ride like that. Just ride like that. Ain't no charger out here like that. Damn, look, extra airflow. You got a booty hole back here now.
Weight reduction.
Weight reduction. Yeah, you need that with this. There you go, sir. There you go. Just pop it back on. Make sure it's even on both sides first. Like, you can pretty much line up the bottoms. Did that end down there too?
Yeah, so.
But there you go, guys. New diffuser. I think it was Icon Motorsports. How much was it again?
85.
85 bucks. Get your whole new diffuser for the back. Looks way better than the stock did. So, yep. Make sure y'all follow on Instagram. One slow scat pack, or scout pack, like he always say. That's his word. One slow scout pack. I don't know where he get that shit from, but all right, man. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe button. Got more mods coming to this. What's your next mod? Since you already got your diffuser.
I'd be the wing.
Oh, the wicker bill. This nigga just doing everything to the ass. No front lip. He's scared to put a lip,
I
man.
don't want to put no lip yet.
So you gonna have all the ass a bald head, bald face in the front. Lips. I'm about to order the lip for my V. I'm ordering the lip for my V right now, so got that coming in. Show y'all guys that, but make sure y'all hit the like, subscribe button. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Yeah, he said he got a photo shoot to shoot, boy. Yeah, zoom in on him. Yeah, Instagram. He turned it off so I get the start up.